How to disable battery optimization for an app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop the system from limiting an app's background activity from running freely in the background without the system limiting it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Apps. After that, find the app you want to adjust and tap on it. At this point, tap Battery from the App Info screen. From here, tap Background Usage Limits. Following this, you'll see options like Optimized, Unrestricted, and Restricted. Tap Unrestricted to remove any battery optimization for that app, allowing it to run freely in the background without the system limiting it. After that, a warning may pop up, letting you know this could use more battery, so tap Allow to confirm. Keep in mind that this is best used for apps you rely on for instant notifications, like messaging apps, since it can drain your battery faster than usual if applied too broadly. That's how you disable battery optimization for an app on Android. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!